Hello everyone. So I bring you another good news, right? So there's this opening, very new, just happened, where you can move down to Canada to work, right? So this is particularly for international applicants, people that are outside of Canada and want to get, the opportunity to take up jobs in the country. So if you're an international worker, you want to move down to Canada, this is for you. This is for a select profession, and there is no Ielts for this pathway at all. So there is no Ielts for this at all, and that is good news because so many people don't want to write Ielts. So this pathway does not require Ielts, so that is really a good thing. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything about this pathway, who is eligible, how to go about it, and all of that. So, like I said, this is a new pathway. It was just launched on the 1st of May 2023, just a few days ago. It was open for application. So, you really want to be among the first people to apply for this. So, you really want to watch this video to the end. If you're here for the first time, my name is Jackie and welcome to my channel. Do subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you always get first hand breaking information about ways to relocate abroad, to study, to work, and to live. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate your support. Thanks for always watching. And please do me a favor. I need a favor from you right now. It is free, it is easy. Just smash the like button, hit the like button, like this video just to appreciate the work that I do here. Thank you so much. And if you'd like to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email and we can arrange that so you can talk about your own personal needs for relocation. Okay, so this is for nurses, right? If you want to move down to Canada as a nurse, this is for you. And this is for the province of Nova Scotia. So this province has opened up a way for international nurses not currently in Canada to get licensed in Canada. So as we can see it right here, international nurses not currently licensed in Canada. So we are going to be looking at this right now. And for this pathway, it has select countries. Only 7 countries are eligible for this, and Nigeria made the list, right? So if you're a nurse in Nigeria, this is for you. Let's click it to see the details. So international nurse not currently licensed in Canada. You have reached this page because you are an international nurse not currently licensed in Canada and are seeking registration and licensure in Nova Scotia. To apply for registration and licensure in Nova Scotia, please answer the below question to determine what pathway you are eligible for. There are 2 licensure pathways available, right? So number 1 is you are an international nurse who is registered and holds a current license that entitles you to practice as a registered nurse in the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Australia, US, UK, or New Zealand, right? So that is the first, pathway, right? And then the second one, you are an international nurse who does not hold a current license to practice as a registered nurse in Canada or the 7 designated countries. So if you're not mentioned in these 7 countries, there is another pathway for you. But in this video, I want to talk about these 7 countries, all right? Okay, so are you currently registered and licensed in good standing as an RN in the Philippines, Nigeria, India, USA, UK, Australia, or New Zealand? We click yes, and it takes us here. All right. So international nurses currently registered and licensed in the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Australia, UK, US, or New Zealand. So let's see the information here. This web page is for you if you're an international nurse who is registered and holds a current license that entitles you to practice as a registered nurse in the Philippines, Nigeria, India, Australia, US, UK, or New Zealand, and not registered and licensed in Canada. So you're licensed in your country and you're not licensed in Canada. That is the whole point of this. All right. And then you are not eligible for this pathway if your license has expired in one of these 7 countries and you are unable to reestablish it. So you must have your license. Your license must be valid in these 7 countries for you to move forward with this. Okay. So, well, first off, let's see this. Please note, due to high volume of users accessing our registrant portal, you may experience some delays this just opened 1st of May, like I said. So, there's a lot of registrations ongoing. So applications are submitted through NSCN's registrant portal. You can start by creating an account in the registrant portal if you have not already done so. Click the following link and select sign up to create an account. So you click here and then you select sign up. You fill your username, password. Okay, you click sign up, right? You click sign up and then you would register. This is how you register here. Email address, confirm your email, and you go on like that. So let's go back to where we were to continue reading. Okay, what to expect on the application. Number one, when the application process opens, you will log into your profile on our portal and select the application called RN Applicants Expedited Countries. So you really need to look at this. You really need to follow these instructions. So maybe have this page open while you do your registration. So now you know that registering, getting anything registered, moving to Canada takes like a year. It takes a whole lot of time. So for this particular pathway, yeah, they have expedited this registration. So it's going to be out within weeks, All right, number two, submit 2 pieces of identification showing your legal name. Number three, we will need to determine that you hold a current license that entitles you to practice as an RN in one of the 7 identified countries and that your license there is in good standing, right? So you must be well licensed, no issues. If they contact your country, they are able to say that, yes, you are a licensed nurse that is in good standing. And this can be done in different ways, right? A is by reviewing a verification of registration form that was sent directly to us from your regulatory body. Note, if you arranged for a verification form to be sent to the NNAS, you can either port your NNAS advisory report to NSCN or contact NNAS and ask if they will forward a certified true copy of this document to NSCN. And then number 2 is the second way it can be done. We can check the online search tool available on the website for the regulatory body, so that is how it can be done. All right, so number 4, submit an original copy of the required criminal record check. You need to do that. And then number 5 is to pay the application fee. This fee is about 75 Canadian dollars, like I saw in, the information where they announced, this pathway prior to it opening. But you can also click here as well to see the fees. So it was about $75 when it was announced. All right. Okay. So starting the application, when you are ready to apply, click here. There are all links here. So I'm going to drop a link to this page so you can go do it yourself. And then exam information, you should have written NCLEX, right? Or even if you've not written it, it should be in view. So whether you've written it or not, you can still register for this. All right. So for more information, read our frequently asked questions. So you can click here to see more information, right? So I've done a lot of reading, extensive research about this. So I saw a lot of information and it says that Ielts is not required for these 7 countries listed. Okay, so let's see the last newsletter that was published about this. Good afternoon. NSCN is experiencing an extraordinary high volume of emails and phone inquiries regarding the expedited registration and licensure process for international nurses. This may be impacting the response time of the portal in some instances. Please read the following important information. Your application is important to us. We are working hard to address the volume of applications as quickly as we can. Please do not send multiple emails or voicemails. So once you send an email, that's it. Just wait. They're going to get to you. Please do not open more than one account. So try not to open more than one account. The expedited process is permanent. There is no deadline to apply. So no deadline to apply for this. It is open and it is open for good. All right. If you have applied using the wrong application, NSCN will advise you of the next step as soon as we review your application. So if there's any error, just wait, they'll reach you for that. We have developed a comprehensive FAQ resource to answer all your questions. So you click here to get all your questions answered. So any information, any question you have regarding this video, regarding the information we've seen in these 2 pages on the website, any question that is not, treated here, please go to the FAQs to see them. All right. Asking me in the comment section may not do so much good. You can just go straight here to see the answer. All right, so you can learn how to calculate your nursing hours here. There's also a link for that. There are links for everything. Nurses licensed in one of the 7 designated countries, automatically meet the English language registration requirements. So yeah, this is it. So you don't need Ielts or any of that. You automatically meet the English language registration requirement. Then for those who are required to pass the NCLEX, you have the option to pay for the NCLEX exam when you apply or after you receive your conditional license. This is your choice. So like I said, whether you have NCLEX or not, you can apply for this. International nurses planning to move to Nova Scotia should reach out to Canadian Immigration and Citizenship to begin the process to enable you to legally work in Canada. The process is unrelated to the Nova Scotia College of Nursing, right? So this is just to get your license. You need to go over to the immigration website to work out how to move down to Canada to work. So this is a welcome development. Get your nursing license in Nova Scotia. This is great. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, that is a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already, so you can be seeing more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.